Hey guys, today we're going to try making a maple walnut biscotti. I've never made one. I'll link the recipe I'm using in the description. But the first step it says is to take 2 cups of chopped walnuts and 1 to a baking sheet and shove them in the oven for a few minutes. Next, this is 8-10 minutes. Next, in a large mixing bowl, beat together 2 eggs, egg juice all over my fingers. Why? I just got egg everywhere. Food safety. Yes, do that. We're going to beat together the eggs. Gradually add ½ cup of brown sugar. That's gradual, right? ½ cup of plain sugar. What else to add? A ½ cup of pure maple syrup. Use the pure stuff. Nothing else will work in this fine, delicious mixture. Also, the bottom pure stuff you keep saying. Alright, and add maple flavor if you had it. Who has maple flavor on this restaurant? Then add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I let it cool a little bit while not cook the eggs. So the camera decided to cut out on me. What it is I added 2½ cups of flour. Slowly I kind of just dumped it in, and this is about what it should look like after this. And then we're going to add the nuts. Alright, once your nuts are roasted, grab them and pour them in. Ow. Pan's hot. Ow, ow, ow. Add them in gradually so you don't burn yourself. Top trick, don't burn yourself. Hey, why are you being a big blob in here? Let's just do that for me. Alright. I'll add you guys in here. Just cooperate now. Now let's put this in. Mix it together nice and slow, but you don't want to crush the nuts too much or overbeat your dough. Now, once you've carefully done all that, you want to take out this. Oh, that was dumb. Take your pan, get it out of the way so you can stop burning yourself with it. Take your dough, with your clean fingers, wash your hands, like every 5 minutes wash your hands. Alright. So this is the size you can look better later. Wave to a cute person in the background. And it says divide this in 2. Okay. Halfish. See, that's half or not. Scooby-Doo. your other half. Squish her together.
Where's your apron?
I don't need an apron.
I make so many cute aprons though.
Yeah, I know you make cute aprons for me. I never wear them. If I wear the apron, I'll get this stuff all over me. If I don't wear the apron, I won't get any on me.
You have a cover coming off on this side of the cooling rack.
Okay.
Be careful if it's live enough.
Yes, honey. Then you can proceed to lick your fingers. And follow food safety guidelines. When I took it to the pan, it's probably because it's so hot. And you want to stick it in the oven for about 30 minutes-ish. See then? Alright, it says move to a cutting block and cut them diagonally about a ½ inch wide with a serrated knife so you do not crack it. I see cracks forming. And it says do this at a nice diagonal. Yeah, I see why they say do this serrated knife. It would break apart like crazy otherwise. Alright, after you do that, I put it back on the pan, nice and vertically. I don't know how to do this. Alright. Grab, in. Grab and go, There we go. This one's kind of goes, Alright, and then you're going to want to bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. See that? Alright, it's been about 20 more minutes. I'm going to pull these guys out. Oh yeah, they look amazing. They're all brown, nice and brown on the outside. Yes, they feel nice and good. Nice and good in the middle. I'm gonna grab another cooling rack. Hopefully, I don't burn my fingers too bad here. Hot. They're a little hot. I got the oven with it about 350 degrees. Ow. Son of a biscuit eating bulldog. And another cooling tray. It's a that works. If you're big, you're gonna end up with a bunch of these things. Ow, ow, ow. 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 I'm burning my fingers. Get this thing out of here. At the pan. Cooling rack was hot too. Ow. Let's do this, guys. This pan looks a little bit nicer. I want you to see how good these guys look. Nice, delicious looking crumb. Flake apart nicely. Alright. So, there you have it. Some delicious maple walnut biscottis. Well, it's really good and really hot. Nice and dry. With some salt, a little bit of salt in the middle. Perfect for the little glass of milk. Hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe I'll edit pretty quickly. Hit like and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Bye bye.